හොඳයි යාළුවනේ සියලු දෙනාම ගැජට්ස් ඇන්ඩ් මොඩර්න් ස්පේස් channel එකට සාදරයෙන් පිළිගන්නවා. ඉතින් මම ඔයාලට අදත් ගෙනව ලස්සන ගැජට් වලින් සමාන්විත වීඩියෝ. ඉතින් ඔයාලා මේ වීඩියෝට කැමති නම් ලයික් කරන්න, ෂෙයා කරන්න, කමෙන්ට් කරන්න. මගේ channel එක subscribe කරලා තියාගන්න. සියලු දෙනාටම සුබ දවසක්. ජය වේවා.
So I bought this helicopter toy as a surprise gift for my husband because I thought it would be fun to play with.
Here's the box and the helicopter that I purchased off of Amazon. During the unboxing of this, we'll just kind of show you what some of the pieces and parts are, the operation of the toy, etc. So pulling this out, obviously before this had plastic on it, but I've opened this up previously. And it's a very intricate, detailed little helicopter. Has red flashing lights, red and blue flashing lights when it's connected to your controller, which is located here in the back, and a USB charger to charge the helicopter up to a USB-A port. So this helicopter has advanced features and guided features on the remote, and up, down, left, right, flies across your house excellently. Alright, as you can see, it's one push to the left button up here, one push from the back, and it automatically starts up. It has advanced features. 2 beeps means the advanced features are on. 1 beep means guided features are on. And it'll go left, right, up, down, every direction that you want it to go. Has about a 5 to 10 minute battery life depending on how it's charged from fully start to finish. Whether it's first out of the box or you've been charging it several times, the battery.
Check out our toy helicopter. It's more fun at night.
channel, please tell us which gadget is your favorite in the comments, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Bye, have a nice day.